Writing a narrative essay involves telling a story from your perspective. So here's a step-by-step guide, and it'll all be in the description. Number 1, choose a meaningful topic. Select an experience or an event that has an impact on you. It should be something that you can reflect on and convey to your readers. Okay? Number 2, create an outline. So organize your thoughts. A typical structure includes an introduction, which is the set and scene, and introduce the main idea. You got body paragraphs, basically detail the story in chronological order or by significance. You got the conclusion, basically reflect on the experience and the impact. Now, number 3, write a strong introduction. Begin with a hook to draw the reader in. Provide some context, all right, about the story, and introduce the main theme. All right. Number 4, develop the body. So basically use descriptive language to create vivid images to focus on. So focus on characters, basically, describe the people involved. Setting is basically, you paint a picture of where the story is going to take place. The plot is basically you got to tell the sequence of events, basically, including the conflict and resolution. Number 5, use dialogue. So basically, if applicable, incorporate dialogue to add depth to the characters and make the story more interesting and more engaging. Number 6, reflect on the discussion. So basically, discuss what you learned from the experience and its significance, connect it back to the main theme. Number 7, revise and edit. Basically, review your essay in clarity, coherence, and grammar. Ensure your story flows well and captures the reader's interest. All right? Now, by following these steps, you can craft a complete narrative essay that resonates with readers. Leave a comment if you got something to say. And Jesus is Lord, you know that.